Hey guys, this is Rob at Lukat Detail again. Here's an old hood panel. I polish these all the time, and sometimes I get a surprise. Look how beautiful that thing came out. But this is an interesting paint job because it's actually gray right here, but look what happens from a different light angle. Shoot, it's copper. Wow, look at that. Whoa, isn't that beautiful? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how I clean this one. Now this one is a really good solvent-based clear coat. A lot of newer clear coats are made from water-based, so they don't haze up, they just blister and peel. It's terrible. But these older ones would haze up. So this thing looks good when it's wet, dries up, gets ugly again, it'll come back, and I'll show you what I mean. And these are the products that I use. This is called the Lukat Fix. This is a dedicated paint cleaner, and this is a wax, but it's made to seal the paint. But what you want to do is you want to look how beautiful that is. You want to bring that back, and you don't want to put wax over this ugly stuff, because buried underneath this is that beautiful copper to gray color. I mean, look at that. That is just beautiful. Wow. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this one. I'm going to just show it from this angle. Look at it. What? It goes completely gray. Isn't that cool? Wow. So I really enjoy doing this. Can you tell? It's just something I like to do right there. But I'll show you guys how this works, and we'll get on it right now. Okay guys, so this is just water, okay? And if you've seen my demos before, you know what I'm going to do right now, okay? Because I want to make sure you guys understand that if your paint job is oxidized, especially all these cars called clear coats, the ones with the shiny coat on top, they may look really nice when they're wet. Look how beautiful this one looks when it's wet. But look what happens as it dries up, okay? So if your paint job is oxidized on the top, it's starting to haze up, and you wash it, it looks beautiful, but then it dries up and it does that. Look how beautiful. When it's wet, you can actually see the copper color underneath. Gosh, that looks so beautiful. Sometimes I'll detail an old paint job, and oh my gosh, man. I remember one time we got an old green one, and it was beautiful. But that was a single stage base coat, probably a polyurethane, but it was so beautiful. It was crazy. The owner was blown away. He didn't realize how beautiful the paint job was. Okay, so I just want to demonstrate that. Now, if you can't wash the car, guess what? You're going to be okay, but there is buildup on here. So if you wash it with soap and water, park in the shade, you can do that. I like doing my demos in direct sunlight because it gives you immediate contrast and you can see it and stuff, but you should do it in the shade. Now this is the Lukat Fix It. This is the paint cleaner, okay? This is the one we need to clean this. We don't want to put a wax on here, we want to clean it. So I'm going to put this on like this, use a generous amount. I like using a terry cloth towel folded up into a tight square. So when you put this on, do not rub hard. What you do is you're just going to go back and forth with some light pressure. You're going to be on the same spot. You're going to clean the same spot, okay? Remember, it is work because you have to clean it like this in sections. When you wax a car, detail it, the paint job's already clean, the paint job's already smooth and shiny, and all you're doing is masking. That's why you're able to do a big section. But in this case, we have contaminants embedded in the surface. We don't want to remove the clear coat, we want to clean the clear coat. And our motto is remove as little as you can, that way you can bring back as much as you can. You got more to work with too. So all I'm doing is go back and forth like this, okay? And you can clean it until it looks almost perfect. Now, when a clear coat is good, you're not gonna see no color coming off, okay? That means that there's a lot of clear on this thing. I mean, it's nice. You just clean it, and man, look how beautiful that's coming out. That's crazy. Who would have thought? I don't remember where, I go to junkyards all over, and I don't remember where I got this one from. I've had this one for a while, but we used it at a show and people went crazy. Oh man, that thing's just beautiful. Because from the other side, this turns gray. Now, that looks good, but I can tell right here there's a little bit of a haze still on there. so I can use it to clean it with. Now, when you fold up the towel like this into a tight little square, you can get technically 32 uses out of it, okay? Terry cloth towels work best. If you use a microfiber towel, the problem is the microfiber towel will soak it up and it'll get all squishy and spongy. It's like a sponge. It just gets all squishy and it's not good. And but with this, it's perfect. Now here's something you guys gotta understand. Okay, this, what I just did right now, okay, it's not waxed. Okay, now this is squeaky clean. The reason why that's a big deal is because I didn't put something on top to mask the dirty paint. If this took 20 years to get like this, it's gonna take another 20 years for this to oxidize again, okay? So you understand how that works. It's paint cleaner, not wax. Now, the next step is to seal it. You wanna protect the finish you just brought back, okay? You gotta have something to protect the paint, something to repel stuff. This is really good stuff. It's called Lukat EZ Sealer wax. It's a really, really good wax. My boss keeps telling me, you gotta make more videos on this one. I don't know. Because it's a sealer. Anyways, when you put this on, you just do the circles. But what's different is you can just do the wax on, wax off thing. But you kind of, because we just brought it back. We just brought the paint back, okay? So we kind of want to massage this into the paint. And sometimes when you do these, like sometimes I'll put this on and it just seems like the clear coat will just absorb, like it drinks it up. This one right here, this clear coat's a really good quality one because it's super thick. And the old solvent-based clear coats from about 1998 to about 2008, the really good ones, they're very thick, so they can be very hard to clean. But all you have to do is wash them really well, and then you just clean them in sections. But you're gonna get another 15 years of shine because you're removing all that buildup. Oops. Anyways, so it's best to let this dry for about 10-15 minutes because the carnauba settles. It becomes like a nice coat to protect the shine. Just for the sake of time, I just do it like this. But even so, look how beautiful this came out. Okay, so I'm gonna take the camera up, do a close-up so you can look at it up close. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Wow. That is amazing. That is amazing. God, that sun is blinding me. Anyways, but look at that. Can you see the metal flake in that? Wow, I like that. I really like that metal flake look. Look at that. It's almost got like a 3D thing to it, you know? Look at how beautiful that is. Wow. Can you see the products, the refraction? Okay, so you want to use the Lukat Fix It to clean it. That's the Lukat Fix It to clean. That's this one, and then the sealer wax goes on afterwards. One of the sealer waxes is like 6 of these, because remember, this is a cleaner, not a wax. That's a sealer. You never want to put the sealer over a dead paint job because you're simply going to mask it. It gets worse. Use this to clean it first, then you seal it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you guys got questions, look in the about section, call us. If I don't answer, because we're not a big company, we just, you know, sometimes we just can't answer all the calls that come in, but if you text us, we do get back to you as soon as we can. But that is beautiful. Look at that. Wow. So if you're gonna clean the entire hood panel, you want to clean it in sections, like in sections. 1 section, 2 sections, 3 sections, 4 sections, 5 sections. And you can clean this, like the spots that I did at a show like 3 years ago, and you saw how pretty it still was. Okay, I had cleaned this section and that section, and we were using other hood panels for demos and stuff, but oh my gosh, look how beautiful that came out. It's one of my favorite hoods right here. Man, brings back memories. I remember one time I got it was a oh my gosh, the ZX models, the Mazda or the Datsun 280 hood. It was a copper colored one, but that one was pure copper. That thing was gorgeous, man. Yeah, look at that. Anyways, some of these old school paint jobs, this was a custom paint job, because look how this is crazy. Look, it's copper right now. Go back here. and it goes gray. Gray and glossy. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's just beautiful. Man, can you imagine what this car must have looked like? Wow. All right, guys. So yeah, look us up at lukatdetail.com. Thank you so much. Join us in our epic fight against ugly paint job pollution.